Hello everyone, my poster is about decoding poultry vocalizations time series and semantic analysis of stress indicators. So in simple words, it just means we are trying to understand the context from the stress-ridden poultry animals, in this case hens. So to give you a background about my poster, why do we have to understand poultry vocalizations? Because they can tell us the emotional well-being of the animal, of the overall animal. And it also helps us to detect health issues early, because sometimes these vocalizations can be different when they have diseases or something like that. Currently, manual detection involves like visually inspecting the animal or taking the animal in hand or taking blood samples like that. So it can be painful, but only understanding by these vocalizations, it is like we don't have to touch the animal and reduce any pain or like that. And because of this AI-driven approach, it leads us to more sustainable poultry farming and other important methodologies. The objective of my poster is that we are trying to analyze poultry vocalizations and identify the stress and health related communication. I'm trying to employ natural language processing models over these vocalizations and get the more insights about these vocalizations. To give you an idea about the method that I'm using, we are collecting data. We have two data sets that we have used. One is from poultry research facility at Bowen University, and the other is from Netherlands University. So one is revolving around the healthy versus unhealthy data set. The other is pre-stress, post-stress data set, where two types of stress are given or induced to the animals. One is visual, one is audio. And coming to the results of this, the method cleanly like identify with the age of the animal, like which week it belongs to and what type of stress it is going under. So the vocalization changes depending on the stress, and it is able to identify that also. And one important insight from animals perspective is like if you notice the week to week change in MFCCs, there is a clear distinction between the 2.5 week and the 4.5 week. This is where the animal is trying to learn specific vocalizations as it grows. And also if you notice, after employing natural language processing models, if you notice the sentiment of this pre-stress and post-stress, the negative sentiment in post-stress is actually increasing, which is a significant thing. And these word cloud is from the audio. If you notice this might sound Greek and Latin to us, but actually it has a deeper meaning. When we apply NLP models, we were able to distinguishly identify different words that were present in pre-stress and post-stress. This gives us a really good insight. To give you a discussion of what these actually mean, the model is able to identify certain words, the stress in certain words, before the stress was induced, after the stress was induced. And also the model is robust as well, because it was able to classify healthy and unhealthy so differently, and it was able to get more insights. These are my acknowledgements. Like I